Hello everyone, I am Mark Lewis Ron from BSED Science 1A, and in this video we will be learning about intelligence, the theories of intelligence, the different types of intelligence, the structures of intellect, and the intelligence assessment. So first, what is intelligence? Intelligence, it is our ability to acquire knowledge, to think and reason logically, and deal effectively with the environment. There are various theories of intelligence. First is Spearman's two-factor theory. His experiment paved the way for the theory of the G, the general intelligence factor, and the S, specific intelligence factor. The G factor refers to the inborn ability, and the S factor is influenced by the environment. Thorndike's multi-factor theory. Each individual manifests an accumulation of varied sets of abilities. The characteristics of intelligence. Level. It refers to the difficulty of a certain task. Area means the overall quantity of tasks of each level. Range. The quantity of tasks at certain level difficulty. Speed, the rate of movement for each task. Thornton's theory. For him, individuals do not possess a single ability, but they have general ability. His perspectives are centered in the following mental abilities. Verbal comprehension, the ability to understand written or spoken expression. Reasoning, the ability to explain, justify, rationalize, or judge. Spatial visualization, the ability to manipulate imaginary objects. Perceptual speed, the ability to use our senses to acquire information from the environment. Numerical ability, our competence to do numerical calculations. Associative memory, the ability to memorize the information quickly. Word fluency, the ability to think isolated words in a quick manner. Sternberg's triarchic theory of intelligence. Intelligence has three important components. Analytic or componential intelligence, the ability to define, plan, monitor, and evaluate the problem. Creative or experiential intelligence, the ability to use experiences in order to formulate new ideas in solving the problems. Practical or contextual intelligence, the ability to adapt and adjust to new contexts to maximize opportunities of acquiring knowledge and information. David Perkins' theory. His theory is anchored on Howard Gardner's multiple intelligence. According to him, individuals' IQ has at least three components. Neutral intelligence never changes. Experiential intelligence, accumulation from environment. Reflective intelligence, being aware of your thought process. Multiple intelligence by Howard Gardner. The different types of intelligence. Linguistic intelligence. This is our ability to use written or spoken language in the expression of feelings and information. Examples of these are journalists, essayists, and novelists. Logical mathematical intelligence. It deals with our ability to manipulate abstract symbols. Examples are scientists, accountants, and philosophers. Spatial intelligence. It enables us to perceive visual information, transform from this information, and recreate visual images from memory. Examples are architects, sculptors, and mechanics. Musical intelligence. This is our ability to compose and understand music. Examples are composers, singers, and conductors. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence. This intelligence allows us to establish an important link between the mind and the body. thereby allowing the body to manipulate objects and create movements. Examples are athletes, dancers, and actors. Intrapersonal intelligence. This is our ability to relate ourselves and draw insights from reflections. Example of these are therapists and religious leaders. Interpersonal intelligence. This is our ability to understand people and how we relate well with them. Example of these are teachers, politicians, and salespeople. Naturalist intelligence. This is our ability to observe and understand the patterns in nature. For example of these are geologists, gardeners, and farmers. The two types of intelligence. Rational intelligence. It deals with the mental functions necessary for conceptual and rational thinking. Emotional intelligence. This is our ability to read others' emotions, respond to them appropriately, be aware of our emotions, and regulate our emotional response. The 5 characteristics of emotional intelligence. The ability to recognize emotions, the ability to handle interpretations, the ability to use emotions to motivate oneself, the ability to recognize emotions in others, and the ability to manage one's emotion. It is very important that we manage our own emotions in order to deal with the problems in an effective manner. These are the principles that are essential in creating the right attitude. Don't wait for things to happen. Don't fight to get things. Take our time. Learn to let go. Accept ourselves as who we are. Be nice to ourselves. Be pragmatic. Treat all problems as opportunities. Avoid worries. And stop comparing yourselves with others. The structure of intellect has operations, contents, and products. In operations, it is composed of 5 thinking skills: decognition, memory, divergent thinking, convergent thinking, and evaluation. In contents, it is composed of 5 different features: the visual, auditory, symbolic, semantic, and behavioral. In products, these include 6 categories presented in hierarchy: the units, classes, relations, systems, transformations, and implications. Intelligence Assessment. Stanford-Binet Intelligence Test. The modern version of the test is designed to assess the intelligence of children and adults from 2 to 24 years old. Wechsler Scales. It is one of the most widely used tests for general intelligence. It has 3 main scales: the Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale, the Wechsler Intelligence Scale for Children, and Wechsler Preschool and Primary Scale of Intelligence.